Hey guys, welcome back. So today's a very exciting day. It's the last day of siding on this house.
Yes.
So it's gonna be done. So you guys saw us finish the soffit up, worked our way around to that side. That side's not completed yet. We gotta pull down the old house wrap. It did its job for 9 months.
Yes.
New house wrap goes back up. A new window goes in. We got the window, right?
Yes.
And then what? What are we doing?
And then we're gonna get the rest of the siding up, and then that is it. And we are inside finishing the interior of the house.
Yeah.
So super excited about that. And we have an update for you guys as far as Geldwin goes. We have heard back from them. We've been back and forth communicating with them, and a date has been set for them to get a technician out here to do any sort of repairs that need to be done. So
yes,
that's good.
That's a win.
Yes.
Definitely a win. So
yeah, so we will continue to keep you guys updated as everything moves forward with that.
all right.
Okay, so let's rip down that house wrap.
All right, let's go.
That's what I wanted. House wrap with no wind blowing.
First time, right?
Yeah, it's absolutely impossible. It's a known fact that if you put up house wrap or underlayment, the wind blows. So I'm not really sure what's going on here.
It might be our lucky day. We'll see what happens.
Can you move out the way so I can see the view? Pull the back side off.
We got the window unwrapped, we're ready to install it. You can see that this one had that film on it that you pull off. It looks great. These rectangle windows aren't the ones that we've had any sort of issue with.
Only the triangle ones.
Yes.
So what I'm thinking is the guy that does the angle windows did a piss poor job. The guys who do the rugged windows did a fantastic job. Who knows?
I mean, it seems
my opinion.
It seems like it. So
it boils down to one guy and his boss, in my opinion. The guy building it and a QC guy. But we'll see what happens.
yeah. So this guy is ready to get installed, and this one opens, by the way. It's going in the kitchen.
Yep.
This one opens, and then we have two on that main wall that you guys saw 2 videos or so ago. We installed all those windows that open as well, which is really nice.
It is nice.
So, all right, let's get this guy in.
All right.
Fresh house wrap.
Check.
Tape around the windowsill.
Check.
Window installed.
Check.
Tape around the window frame.
Check.
Chocolate covered pomegranates for a snack for Aaron.
You're sharing. You're sharing.
Now we do siding.
Siding.
Snack and siding.
Snack and siding.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Let's look at the siding real quick though.
What siding?
The siding. We
Okay.
gotta explain the siding.
Okay.
Because we didn't explain. Sometimes I think we think that you guys are like mind readers and we should be like filling you in, and we're just not that great at what? Vlogging, explaining, you
Yeah.
know, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
So let's explain.
Okay, so when we did the first small dormer, we got the entire front done. Then went to the side. We got pretty much all the way to the top. I'm like, oh man, we messed up. We realized that we actually didn't line the two joints up from the front and the side.
Yes.
I didn't want to tear it all down. I just thought it looked fine, so we left it.
Yes.
We finished that dormer and it was done, right?
Yes.
So we come out to do this other dormer for the kitchen, and we get that entire thing banged out. We bang it out correctly. We didn't stick with the mess up like we did on the other side. So we actually lined these joints up perfectly, correct?
Right.
Now go for the rest.
So then we came back and we did the new dormer that has the front door on it. And when it came to do the siding, we actually decided to continue the aesthetic mistake.
On that side.
Yes, the reason being both of those dormers, that small dormer that we did the first time and then the new front door dormer are right next to each other. So we didn't want to have one where the siding on the front and side didn't match up and then the one right next to it have both of them match up because we thought it would kind of stick out like a sore thumb.
Yes. Well, here was my mistake. We should have tore it down and got it fixed the first time, or in my opinion, did them all that way.
Yeah, I agree.
We shouldn't even mess with the kitchen dormer and had it line up. We should have done it all.
We should have just come to the
Yeah.
kitchen dormer side and just continued it being staggered. The cool thing about it is it kind of it looks like a little bit rustic. It's got some like character to it. It doesn't bother us. I know some people would be really particular about having it be lined up, and that's probably the correct way to do it. When we did it, it was a rookie mistake. We weren't paying good enough attention, and had some distractions going on. So, but however, since we made the mistake the first time, you're right. We should have just carried it around the whole way around the house.
Who cares? Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, like it's gonna be those little things that you don't really notice when you're looking at the big picture. And when I do think of that mistake, all I see is that time that I blasted Josh on YouTube with the mohawk picture from when we were younger. So I actually kind of enjoy it. Do you guys want to see that picture again? Because I could play it right now for you.
It's okay. They don't need to see it. Do that, honey.
Ellie, do you want to see Daddy's mohawk?
Yeah.
Okay. She gets what she wants, right, Joshy?
Okay, sure. All right, guys, so we're done. I'm a mess. I have soot all over my face. The window's in, the siding's done, the metal on the roof is done.
Yes.
Everything's done. It looks fantastic.
And we are headed back inside
Yes.
for the rest of winter, which is going to be so nice.
Yeah.
It's been tough to get the amount of work done that we want to get done in the evenings because it gets dark so early this time of year. So.
Yep. So, yesterday we got a little bit of footage from Hades' camera. He was recording around everything. He came through with a Christmas tree. I'm gonna try to talk Erin in because we watched the footage this morning. And as you guys know, she's a high, squeaky voice. I gotta wear earplugs half the day. We caught her singing Christmas carols with Haiti, right?
Totally joking, Christmas carols.
Her voice gets deep, like real deep.
Okay.
Right?
First of all, you're partially deaf, so you don't mind my
True.
high-pitched voice.
True.
You guys do, but he doesn't. And second of all, there's no middle ground. It's either like super high-pitched and mousy, or else it's
We'll see what happens. I'm gonna try to get her to put the stuff in there.
it's not going in, but Josh's mohawk is.
That's all I got. I'm done. You done?
I'm done.
All right, guys. Thanks. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
Done. You excited?
Yes.
I got the swizzle cakes. The swizzle cakes. I. Love you so. You're the cutest little thing ever. You know that, don't you? You little princess? They cut down a tree.
These are our kids.
Christmas time. It's Christmas tree, I guess. You guys cut down with?
So,
Where?
at the end of the pasture,
Okay.
I saw that in the barn.
Looks like we're having a Charlie Brown Christmas, Josh.
Yes, it looks that way.
Good job, guys. I love it.
Thanks. I think we should cut this one down on our property. Yeah.
Alright guys, Car, what do you feel like?
Home one.
First one, you should check it out, it's a good movie.
It's a Christmas movie.
Yeah. Almost there.
Sure does.
Yay! We got a tree.
Nice and smooth.
Ah, perfect. This is going to be a perfect tree. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year.
Ho ho and mistletoe, it's holly jolly Christmas this year.